You may have noticed it's raining. I hate when it rains. And you know why? It's this noise the roof does. I have to hear it all night. Do you imagine? I mean, some someone loves rain. They love it. It's like, oh, it's raining, I love it. But me, it's like, I hate it. It means I will not sleep. But it's just like close the window and you don't hear it at all. Well, and you close it at all and you don't hear it. It's just you have to like close your eyes and you will not hear it. It's just rain. But sleeping here and hear that awful noise all night is like very, very stressful. I don't know if that word is safe, but I don't know. So, here in Buenos Aires, it is raining. It's a very rainy day after Christmas. Today is 26th of December. So, watch out. It's raining and it's summer. Whoa. Bye.